Nakilala ko yan. Magkasama kami yan. Up close, noong una I was giving him the benefit of the doubt. Nakita ko yan, yung lying to him is as natural and as easy as breathing. No? Kung wala kang asthma. So, ganun. Kaya itong dinisplay niya dito, una muna itong sa sinasabi niyang ano naman daw, wala naman daw valid warrant kaya wala rin naman daw protective custody. Bakit ka nagbigay ng protective custody kung walang valid warrant? Pinakita ko dun sa chief of staff niya yung warrant na nadala ng NBI na inaffirm at kinonfirm ng ICC mismo. Alam nila yon na totoo yan. Tapos suddenly nakahanap ng alibay, kailangan ng local courts. Walang requirement na kahit saan, not a Supreme Court decision, not a law, walang basis talaga for that. Kailangan lang nila maggawa ng anything. Pero regardless, yung opinion niya, whether he recognizes the ICC warrant or not, is irrelevant. Kasi may batas tayo. Even if you disagree with it, it should still be served. Kasi Digo nga ginawa yun sinerve yun wala namang sinabi yung Korte Suprema na mali yung ginawang basihan ng pag-aresto.